Hey guys, good morning. Looks like there's a huge setup for NVDA earnings next week as somebody does have, or not somebody, but there's a volume flow of over $35 million into these 130 calls for NVIDIA. If you guys didn't know, my name's Tony. I'm a programmer and I essentially program a Python script to give me a couple of outliers on specific contracts. And today it actually spit out these 130 calls for next week. Coincidentally, the earnings for NVIDIA actually comes out on August 28th, and somebody, or at least a group of entities, have $35 million worth of these 130 calls expiring next week again, which is about, which is $5 out of the money for these options. And it's kind of indicating, because they are so far out of the money, they are obviously indicating that NVIDIA will do really well for earnings. So again, these 130 calls, right, are expected, or for some reason, to go up, right? At least for, this unusual activity that's going on. And $35 million is definitely out of the ordinary for NVIDIA. And with earnings coming up on August 28th next week, it's definitely something to at least entertain. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.